Hello, 'tis I again. Today we have
And me. I'm here too.
sure
Okay, carry on.
if you want to just interject right on in there.
No, carry on, go ahead.
Are you sure?
Act like I'm not here.
Gladly. Oh, snap.
I forgot to say hi. Hi, everybody. Okay, go ahead. It's fine. It's fine. Just act like I'm not here. It's okay.
You're insured. I can make it like you're not here forever. So.
One more thing. No, it's probably not a good time.
So, today, your workout is called Kevlar. That's embedded in my shoes. I don't know why CrossFit thought that they should put Kevlar in shoes, but sure. So if anyone shoots me, please let it be at my foot. You have a 15-minute AMRAP today. So, we're gonna talk about the equipment workout first, and then we'll talk about the odd object workout second, because there's just a little change to the odd object workout. Okay, so there's 4 movements, and they are each, you're gonna start with 3 reps of each, and then you're gonna add 3 reps of each, and then 3 reps of each, and then, so it's gonna build like 3, 6, 9, 12, etc., etc. Your movements today are for quality, not speed. Okay, so let's just concentrate on moving through these well, not necessarily super fast. So we're gonna start with a front plank push-up, or as we like to call them here in Normalville, plank up-downs. So Wayne's gonna start in the up position, he's gonna go down to his elbows, and he's gonna come back up into the up position. So every time you come back up to straight, that would be 1, okay? Here's a pro tip for you. Every so often, change which hand you're extending first, okay? If you're always extending through your right arm before your left arm, that's gonna put an awful lot of pressure on your right arm, okay? So every so often, just like when we're doing step-ups and we occasionally switch that lead leg, switch that lead arm. Okay, so we have 3 plank up downs. Next up we have 3 strict pull-ups. 1, he's facing the wrong way. White boy can't jump. So, if you have a rig, you would do 3 strict pull-ups. If you need to use a band for that, cool. If you have a pull-up rig and you don't have strict pull-ups, but you have kipping pull-ups, no, sure, I guess. What else? Next up, we have 3 Turkish sit-ups. We did these earlier this week, I think it was. So you're gonna lay back with that plate on your chest, and as he comes up, he's gonna press that plate ahead and poke his head through that window made by his arms. Okay, and then back down. So much more fun than I thought it would be. Okay? Pick a nice weight for that. Don't be thinking, oh, I'm gonna make that a heavy one. Okay? Next up, we have a weighted glute bridge. And he picked the smallest weight that we have in the gym right now. So he's gonna hold it to the hip area. He's gonna squeeze his butt cheeks on the way up, and he's gonna hold that for a second before he comes back down. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm on the inside of a 12-year-old boy, it's air humping. It's air humping, everybody. Okay, so once you go through that, each movement 3 times, then you are going to add 3 reps to each one. So it goes 3 plank up downs, 3 pull-ups, 3 Turkish sit-ups, 3 weighted glute bridges, 6 plank up downs, 6 strict pull-ups, 6 Turkish sit-ups, and 6 weighted glute bridges. And you keep going. Just add 3 every round. That's all that is. Okay? Now, for the odd object one, it's almost exactly the same. You're still doing those plank up downs, you're still doing the Turkish sit-up, and you're still doing that weighted glute bridge. Instead of the strict pull-up though, you're going to do an odd object row. So, soft through the leg, hinge at the hip, straight arms, and he's gonna pull that odd object right into his chest / belly. Here's where it gets different, guys. That is significantly easier than would be a strict pull-up, yeah? So instead of starting with 3 and going to 6 and then 9, you're gonna start at 12. You're gonna start at 12, and you're gonna stay at 12 until you hit your round of 15. That's the first round that you're gonna start adding, okay? So 3 plank up downs, 12 odd object rows, 3 Turkish sit-ups, 3 weighted glute bridges, 6 plank up downs, 12 odd object rows, 6 Turkish sit-ups, 6 weighted glute bridges, and then 9, 12, 9, 9, 12, 12, 12, 12, 15, 15, 15, 15. See how easy that is? It's so not confusing at all.
We doing some warm-up, Coach?
Let's do some warm-up. You're gonna run through this 2 times. You're gonna do 6 cheater burpees. Okay, so that's a burpee, but you're not going all the way down to the floor. 6 inchworms. Okay, you can add in a push-up there if you want. You don't have to. You can add in that nice little arch of your back. You don't have to. 6 cat and cows. Why doesn't he meow? Or moo, I don't know. 6 push-ups, however you want. These are maybe in the first round, a little bit loosey-goosey, and then tighten those up a little bit in the second round. How's that for you? And then 6 sit-ups. Pro tip, don't use an ab mat for those Turkish sit-ups. It really, not fun. Is he doing sit-ups? Did he do sit-ups? I don't know what he did. Oh well, I guess that's all, folks. That's all, folks. Have a great day.